stop using basic words. Here are 3 underrated English words that'll make you sound instantly smarter. Let's level up. First, versatile. It means something can do many things well. Example, she's a versatile singer. She can rock pop, jazz, and opera. Next, pragmatic. This means being practical and realistic. Example, instead of stressing, be pragmatic. Focus on 5 new words a day. Finally, breeze through, to finish something easily. Example, if you practice daily, you'll breeze through English exams. Your turn. Pick 1 word and drop a sentence below. Remember, small steps lead to big wins. Keep going!